Your Westfield retreat awaits at 1708 West 171st Street. Step inside and be greeted by a spacious and open-concept layout perfect for both relaxation and entertaining. The modern kitchen is a chef's dream, equipped with stainless steel appliances and ample counter space. Retreat to the generous master bedroom upstairs, featuring a private bathroom for added convenience. The 2 additional bedrooms offer comfortable spaces for family members or guests. The cozy loft area is perfect for a home office or a quiet retreat. Enjoy the low-maintenance lifestyle offered by this townhome community. The HOA takes care of snow removal and lawn care, giving you more time to relax and enjoy the amenities. The community features 3 swimming pools, a pickleball court, a tennis court, a basketball court, parks, and extensive walking trails. This townhome is perfectly situated near Grand Park, Meijer, Kroger, and numerous restaurants. Enjoy easy access to SR 32 and US 31, making it convenient to explore the surrounding area. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to make 1708 West 171st Street your new home. This townhome offers the perfect combination of comfort, convenience, and community. Contact us today to schedule a viewing and experience it for yourself.